This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Marilyn Drake. You will love this new ranch-style cottage with custom high-end features and craftsman trim. A new refrigerator does comes with the house. It arrived after the photos were made. Exterior features low-maintenance concrete board siding, gutters with gutter guard, walk-in crawl space for extra storage and concrete driveway. Once inside, you will see an open floor plan with spacious living room, vaulted ceiling, floor-to-ceiling ledgestone fireplace, unvented, kitchen with large island that can seat 5, USB outlets, quartz countertops, and all appliances. Both bedrooms feature large closets, ensuite, accent wall, 9 ceilings, light dimmers, and quartz counters in both bathrooms, high-end luxury large plank LVP flooring throughout, oversized windows, large mudroom/laundry with pantry, 2 covered porches. A must-see. For more information,